Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked, where I show you how to get dreadlocks like your favorite celebrities. I'm Gun the Great, and today we are going to be looking at Juice WRLD's dreadlocks. I'm going to break down his hair type, how he got his dreadlocks, and how he maintains them, and how he styles them. But before we get into the video, I want to give a huge shout out to... So make sure to comment down below so you can get a shout out in the next video. Also like the video up. But without further ado, let's look at Juice WRLD's dreads. Uh-oh, looks like I might be doing this in another video. Ooh, perfect photo right here. Looking at a close-up of Juice WRLD, you can see that his dreadlocks are obviously dyed. But we're going to look at his hair type. Looking at this photo, we can kind of just make an assumption that his hair type is a 4C or a 4B. Hair types are essentially how curly or how straight your hair is. And the most important thing about hair type is what method you choose based off your hair type. So we can see that he does have a 4C or a 4B type hair, which can lead me into saying that he may have started with twisting, but I did see in some of his photos that his hair looks more freeform than anything. And it's really interesting because his dreadlocks are actually long in some parts and at some parts short. Best way to figure out what method he chose is to scroll all the way down to when he started them. Perfect, we found one with his dreadlocks being super short. So right here we can tell that they are very maintained. They're all the same length and the same width. And even though I said he may have started with twisting with gel, he could have even started with the sponge rub, but looking at that short clip of that video, you can see that his dreads are all the way down to the root. So we can say that he does maintain them by twisting with gel, because twisting with gel makes your dreads maintained all the way down to the root, and that's how his dreadlocks are looking right here. And what I think actually happened is along down the line, he eventually just stopped maintaining them, and then they started getting combined, and some of them are congoed up. If you look at some of the more recent ones, you can see right here, this is probably where the congoing started to happen. Congoing is essentially two dreadlocks combining, two or more, and then you can see that right here it's starting to happen on top of his head. Maybe he started maintaining again along the way, because they are very maintained. But then again, you have to remember with 4C type hair, there's very little frizziness and they do look very maintained. But yeah, I can see that he's starting to go more freeform now, and some are shorter on the top, and I think it's a really cool style, really interesting. You don't really see this that much. So we can say based off what we've seen, he has 4C type hair. He started with twisting with gel. He's starting to freeform now. That's the maintenance method that he's going with. And then now the styling thing is that he just dyes them, and he has them blue right now, I believe. Yes, the tips are blue and they are bleached besides that. But yeah, if you do want to get dreadlocks like Juice WRLD, all you have to do is start with twisting with gel, have 4C type hair, keep maintaining it with twisting with gel until they get long enough, then start freeforming to where you get congos. Then you bleach your hair and then dye it blue. There you go, you got Juice WRLD's dreadlocks. Basically a breakdown of everything that you need to know. Hopefully this was helpful, and hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to comment down below so you can get a shout out in the next video. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.